I surprised everyone with this recipe. Now I only cook noodles like this. Start by cutting one medium onion. Cut it in half, then into strips and finally into small cubes. Next, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add one drizzle of oil with the onion cubes. Stir and let them fry until slightly golden brown. Meanwhile, cut half red bell pepper. Cut it in half, then into small cubes. Cut one yellow pepper. Cut it in cubes.